Hey yo, what's up dudes? I'm just coming here for a quick video showing you how to make a super groovy bass like the fish god Masterflex Fisher. Sounds like this. And you can use this in all kinds of dope songs. So look, we're just playing some D's. And we're using operator. Now, if you want this sub, you can get this free in the description. If you want this whole project with all the samples, you can get it in my Patreon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, helps out this video. But I want to show you how to make this. It's really easy. So just a couple sine waves. First, you get your operator and you start with your first sine wave, which is down here. Sine wave is right here. You know, just a regular sub or 0 decibels. The sidechain, I'm using sidechain compressor. It's pumping because of that. Okay, cool. So it's just like this, regular sub. 12 decibels. Then we're going to add another sine wave with force on 2. Levels at 19. Sine wave. We're just on all the squares going up. Then we can change the voices to 1 as well to leave it in mono. So then we're adding some more harmonics, subharmonics, an octave up. Then we're going to add another sub down, -22. Now we're combining these sine waves together to make a funky wave. A very nice funk. And you know what? We're going to slap on another sine wave just for measures, -18 decibels. Then of course, if you want to make your sine wave however you want, you can mix and match and change the levels with this. But with the extra harmonics, you can hear it through like your MacBook speakers and iPhone speakers. And then of course the subs at the bottom where you can hear it through the sub. So it's a good fun time. Got a sidechain compressor on here for the kick. Then for this, I automate the beginning. So there's no bass. Then you got the bass. And then in some sections, I automate this white noise to go on and off. White noise, fun time. Cool. Now if you look at the group, the group is just housing the kick and the bass, and the group has a drum bus on 100%. It's doing a lot. This drum bus is amazing when you put them together on a whole rack. And then we're just pumping the lows a little right here, as you see. And we got bass mono, just to make sure everything's in mono for our bass frequencies, which is 130 hertz and below. Then for mix purposes, just -1. And then there you go. That's a simple, easy, techie bass. You can apply this to any genre though. But I hope you guys enjoy. Super simple, free bass. Get this project if you want. Otherwise, stay fresh. Have a good day. And I'll see you later. Peace.